I wanted to be able to help people like my dad, people who came in unexpectedly and had their worlds turned upside down. That became my why.
When I was 16, I was in a car accident. I was in the hospital for a couple of weeks and I had a really wonderful nurse named Pat. I said to her, gosh, you know, Pat, I know I was not an easy patient. And how did you do that? And she said, well, I had a little boy who was 9 years old and he died of cancer. I decided to be a nurse and I wanted to work on a pediatric unit and I was going to do that in his memory. And so I said to her, I'm going to do the same thing. It was really a life-changing experience for me.
For me, the biggest part was finding a way to give back to the community. In a way, I know I'm not in the forefront like the nurses, but I'm supporting those efforts by helping the recruitment efforts and getting the word out and getting actual nurses and employees through the pipeline for them to be able to help our community.
As we go through our lives and we become not only people who work in healthcare, but sometimes people who consume healthcare, it gives us a different approach, a different look. I get a lot of energy in coming to work and helping our team, reminding our team of their importance, reminding them that they're not anonymous.
I love community, and I really have dove into the culture and dove into the mission, vision, and values.
Community's values are humanity, duty, excellence, and ingenuity.
We all know about the golden rule, treat others how you want to be treated, but taking it a step further into the platinum rule and treat people how they want to be treated.
The value that most resonates with me is humanity, definitely, because I think it's important how we care for people.
Helping those who can't help themselves and working with other people that are like-minded in that way is incredible for me.
I think it's easier too if you have been a consumer of healthcare, if you have been on that other side, and it's a helpful reminder to remember that kindness aspect and that humane aspect.
Everyone should be treated equal, period. That's part of the culture here at Community, and that's important to me.
Of the core values, I would say that definitely the duty. It truly is something that payroll does on a daily with helping others, not only on the outside, but within.
I stand for excellence, making the patients happy, cleaning their rooms, maybe talking to them every now and then. How are you? Hope you get to go home. We're gonna do what we have to do to keep our patients safe and keep their rooms clean. So to me, that's excellence on my behalf and for my colleagues.
Values that I felt most deeply is excellence. It's not only about cleaning, but it's also about going above and beyond what we do. We care about patients, we care about our co-workers, other departments, our colleagues, and our community.
I love my job. Most people take accountants as being nerds and stuff like that, but my job is to put out the best product I can. That's my work. My work shows how I excel. It's weird to say I can make a difference, but if those dollars and cents don't make sense, we're in trouble.
I stand for ingenuity. Working in IT, I'm able to work with the brightest minds and able to help come up with creative solutions to complex problems.
The value that I identify most with is ingenuity. I feel that being encouraged by my superiors and my manager and my director to think outside the box, that's what gets me out of bed in the morning, is coming and making a difference and using my creativity.
I'm so fortunate to be in a department that's forward thinking. And so we're always working on new processes and how we can just better the system and how we support them overall.
Whatever life throws at me and I come to work, I just leave it out there, do my duties. This is my trade, housekeeping. I love it. I love this job.
To be in a culture that really is supportive of you and your growth, that's why I continue to come to work and why I love working here.
I feel like I've been growing every day. There's a lot of things to learn. There's a lot of support that I get from my management.
There's so many things in our department that get me excited to come to work. Performance improvement is something I will never leave, because it's when you find your home, you find your home.
When I say this is my second family, I want these people 8 hours a day. They're truly my family. Home sweet home.